Guys, you may have seen this from the Only Way is Chelsea and other London scenes. I decided, as I was at King's Road already, so let's make the most of this beautiful day and go and have a look and explore the Battersea Power Station, because I've not been there since they've done the refurb from the way it used to be. So let's go have a look. So I'm just walking over Battersea Power Station. I'm going to walk along that river and then head direct to where that power station is. Going this way is quite beautiful because I get to see, obviously, the River Thames, but you get to cut through Battersea Park, which is very, very pretty. It's got a zoo and so much other bits going on. We're just coming up towards where the pagoda is, not the pagoda, the Buddhist Temple, apologies. And I thought I'd show you this because it's actually somewhere I used to really love going as a teenager. And I'm also thinking this is quite fabulous floor. It's very flat here, so maybe I'd come back here in the future and skate around on this floor by this beautiful river. Let's have a peek and let's have a wander to it. It's pretty fantastic, as you can see. The scale is phenomenal. You can see it's very big compared to people just walking. It's a bit of a flash of the pagoda. I keep calling it pagoda, why? The temple behind me. And I take you to the power station next. So we just got to get past this bridge and it's just by there. They've got a selfie station where you can prop your own camera. They've got these bits here with people doing and yeah. There's so much to actually do and see around here, and on a nice day like this I feel like I'm in Holland or somewhere. They've got, oh, I tripped. They've got the Wright brothers, a few stops, and yeah. I want to get closer to that power station. I've been in it once for an event many years ago, but I want to see how it is in comparison now. Let's have a look here. It's a washed up dock bit. Oh, you've got more Wright brothers if you have a look over there. And then, feels a bit box park kind of style, but having a look, here's where the food and the bars and everything is. Here you go. Thanks for joining me this week for visiting Battersea Power Station. I really hope you've enjoyed it. It wasn't what I expected. I was expecting you to be able to go in the station, but you can't. There's a lot of things around, local theatre, restaurants, cafes and stuff. Beautiful scenery for summer's days, you can see behind me, to go and grab that drink or something or hang out with a friend. Really hope you enjoy. If you liked this video, do feel free to share. Give me your thumbs up and your likes and subscribe. That'd be really nice as well. Hope you enjoyed last week's video. Bye now.